How to create an online auction in Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an online auction in Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform designed to help users create professional and visually appealing websites without the need for advanced technical skills. In which Squarespace is known for its sleek designer quality templates and intuitive drag-and-drop editor. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the login button on the top right, then you will be directed on this dashboard of Squarespace. And now to proceed, from here you can simply choose the website that you want to edit to add an auction. For example, this one, by clicking this website button, you'll be directed on this page or editing page of your website. And now to start adding an auction, just simply add firstly the pages by clicking this pages button on the left side panel. And for example, from here, I'm going to add a pages under main navigation and click blank page to proceed. Upon choosing it, just simply enter the name of this page. You can simply enter, for example, offers for you, since it is basically a product that can auction or bid by anyone. And after that, from here, you can simply fill out or enter some of the elements contained in this page. And to do that, kindly click the edit button on the top left in here, in which upon doing so, we can try to add more a section in here or also a block. By clicking this add section, we can click add a blank section to proceed. And after that, you'll be able to see here that you can start adding a block by clicking this add block button. And we're going to start by adding an image of the product that we're going to sell or simply put in this auction by simply clicking, and by uploading this image from our computer files, we can start resizing it and changing the location in here. You'd also putting it in here. And after that, it may take a while to reflect since it is currently being loaded after successfully uploading it directly in our Squarespace website. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking add block once again and add a context by clicking this add block right here. Just click the text button, and after that, from here we can simply enter the name of these shoes, for example, which is Onitsuka Tiger shoes. And you could also start changing the size of this by clicking on it or simply selecting all of those contexts. To do that, just simply double click here on your mouse, and after that you can click also would start changing or customizing the thickness of it if you want to, the front, the animation, and many more. But by clicking this paragraph, just change this into heading 1. Now as you can see, it is now get bigger or become a title of these shoes. You'd also start adding more context in here about the shoes, including the sizes, the color, and many more. So basically, some of the product details in here. So again, just do the same process of adding a text, and from here we're going to add this into this part, which is besides the location of this product. I'm going to enter available size, and you can also enter a different kind of variation of size chart that you prefer. But I'm going to choose these Euro sizes, which is for example 38, 39, 40, 41, up until 45. And after that, below, you could also start adding more context in here, which is for example the color of these shoes, in which as you can see, the only color in here is only this yellow and black. And now after successfully adding the title text, the product image, and also the product details of this, we can now proceed by adding the form in here so that the customer can try to fill out the form to start doing their bidding. And in order to do that, just click add block button and just go to the search bar and search form and click on it. And after that, you can simply change the location again in here, for example, on this part. And to start editing the elements or contains by clicking this pencil icon or edit icon in here, you can start editing this form. Starting to the content, we can choose either the form in here, which is some of the required that need to fill out, or the field in here. I'm going to enter here or change this subject and making us bidding amount, since we're trying to make here an auction. And you could also indicate here the kind of currency that you prefer. And I'm going to enter the dollar sign or US dollar sign. You could also add here a description that you prefer and even the placeholder. But I'm going to keep it that way. And after that, you could also start changing. Instead of the submit button, I'm going to change the button text in here. Instead of submit, I'm going to enter bid. Since this is an auction, you could also change the post submit once the customer submitted their form. And as you can see, it only has thank you. You could also start customizing the design in here, where you could also click or choose the background color, the stroke, the highlight, and many more, and even the placement or alignment of the button in here. But in notes option, I'm going to keep this right here. And now for the important part is this storage section, or we can manage the submission by clicking this one, or we could also use some other application or integration in here, including the Google account. By clicking additional storage, just click this Google Drive and click the connect button, or you could also connect Zapier and MailChimp. And after that, just simply choose your Google account and it will automatically be connected. So all you need to do is to simply save it and just simply enter here after that the name of the spreadsheet in here, where the storage or the submission in here of the form will be stored. For example, I'm going to enter here bidding result, and it will automatically create the spreadsheet using our Google account. And to check it, we can simply go to our spreadsheet.com, and in this blank spreadsheet, just click this file button and click open, and after that it will show you, or you should be able to see here, the spreadsheet title that we just created in here. But make sure to click this back button to start saving it or start creating this bidding result spreadsheet. And after that, you can now proceed again by doing the same thing on this spreadsheet to open the file. And it will show you in here that this file has now been created. So kindly click on it and open it. Then you should be able to see here that we've here this submitted on name and email and bidding amount. So when a customer try to click or fill out this form and bid for this product, their submission will automatically be reflected in our spreadsheet. But for the customer to track some of the bidders or to outbid some of the bidders in here, they simply add here more block and click or choose this code, in which we're going to share the spreadsheet result in this Squarespace. And to do that, just go back in here and simply click the file button and click the share button in here. And after that, just choose this publish to web and choose embed code and click this publish button, or choose also the sheet 1 instead of this entire document and click publish to proceed. Upon doing so, just click OK on the top panel of it. We can start clicking or copying this code, then go back on this page and paste it in here directly. After pasting the code, it will show you in here the spreadsheet result of the bidding. You'll be able to see here the bidding result, sheet 1 submitted on name, email, and even the bidding amount in here. And now to save the changes, just click the save button in here. So overall, that is just basically how you can start creating an online auction in Squarespace. Thank you.